beautiful glam girls, welcome back to another video. So I know that my last recent hauls I haven't been looking as glamorous or put together as you guys are used to, because this is me after I come home from shopping. I don't even wear like much makeup. I literally just have concealer on my red spots, and then I do bronzer and cream highlighter, and then that's it. So I just popped on some red lipstick to try to look a little bit more put together. I had a baseball cap on, so bear with me. I hope you don't mind my supernatural state. But anyway, let's get into it. I have a fun Target haul. I got some really cute things. Every brand or like every store that I shop at, like right now, they have like really cute things. I guess because, you know, spring, new season, new money spent. So let's jump into it. I have some really fun stuff to show you guys. So first I have this backpack. This style actually came in 3 different bags that I found. I'll try to put a picture or a video here because I did ask you guys on, oh no, I think I deleted it. Well, if I find the picture on the website, if I have time, I'll put the pictures here. But the style of this, there's no style number on it or anything, but you should be able to find it when you walk into like where the purses are in your Target. But this style came in 3 different bags, so backpack and 2 different totes. So there was like a shorter tote that had like handles, and then there was like a tote. So I was deciding between the tote and the backpack because I thought for the tote it would be like easier to use, and I could use it for like farmers markets for the spring and summer. But then you guys mostly voted on the backpack, and my husband was like, the backpack's cuter, and I was like, the backpack's cuter. I love, it's like a jute rope kind of canvas material, and then it has like faux leather detailing with this nice little you know, like muted rust color, and then it has like some brown stripes. Just really nice, super vibes look to it. And then it has the button here, one big pocket with a drawstring, a little pocket down here, and it's just really basic. Inside there's 1 zipper compartment, but I thought this would be really cute for like picnics or just really nice chill weekend outfits. I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this spring and summer. This would be a really cute like beach bag as well. And again, it is adjustable in the back with metal like buckles. The other piece of like clothing that I picked up is this leopard print like t-shirt dress. So I'll try to find the actual picture of it so I can put it here and you guys can really see what it looks like, because here it's just gonna look like one big piece of leopard fabric. So this is from the Ava and Viv collection, and this is called, I don't know, it doesn't have like a style name. Again, it just says animal print, but it is a no gap button front like t-shirt style dress, and it's really cute. I love that it's short sleeve instead of long sleeve, and it has like this like cuffed sleeve detail, which is nice. Again, it has a collar. It is a nice button down, and it's a very nice see-through lightweight material, as you can see. So this actually you can wear as a duster, you can wear it as a dress, you can wear it as a beach cover up. It's such a nice lightweight basic material. It does come with a little belt on it. I would style this, like I said, as a dress, duster, or a beach cover up. That's how I plan on using it, and I think you can get a lot of use out of this for different seasons. In the summer, I can see myself wearing this over like a red bathing suit, a black bathing suit, a nude bathing suit, a white bathing suit, an orange bathing suit, a brown bathing suit, a rust bathing suit, like all those different colors. This would be so nice as a beach cover up. Like, oh my god, I can see it now. I will probably be wearing this a lot as a beach cover up. And then I feel like in the fall with some long boots and leggings, this would be a great duster. And then in the summer and the spring, I will be wearing it as a dress. I don't even know what this is supposed to be, but I just had to get it. So this is from the Hearth and Hand with Magnolia collection. This is just called a woven basket. It's only $10, which I had to get because it's only $10 and it's just so cute. So it's a woven basket, and it really looks like a piece of wood was made into a basket. And look at the little handles. So it is very stiff. It is kind of like pieces of it are coming off, so it feels very organic, like rope in between some of the wood pieces. Just such a really cute little basket. You can fit like a bottle in here, for example my water bottle, so you can see how big it is. it's like big enough to put like a bottle. I think this would be really cute for a dinner party. You could put your wine bottle in here instead of an ice bucket if you're drinking like a red wine or something that doesn't have to be cold. That would be really cute for that. I mean, there's so many things you could do with this, but I think I'm gonna use it in the bathroom. So if I have a clip of what it looks like in the bathroom, I'll show you guys. But it's just so cute. I had to get it. I was like, I don't even know what I'm gonna use it for, but I want it. Back in my mind, I did think I could use this in the bathroom. That's why I got it. Picked up another peony Mrs. Myers because everyone bought the rose scent, but I love the peony scent anyway, so I picked it up. I picked up this diffuser because I was really looking for one like this that was super cheap. The one I have now is really old, and the like, what do you call these? Reed sticks are old and the scent was gone already, and then the bottle was like orange, and I didn't want that. I wanted something completely clear, but I didn't really care if it was like expensive or fancy. I just wanted something basic, so I picked this one up. It's a water, so I picked this one up. It's supposed to be waterfall scented, and you can see it's just a clear bottle with the reed sticks. It was only $10, so I don't really care if it doesn't smell amazing. I just wanted it for more for the aesthetic. So if you guys watched my IKEA haul, you heard me talk about that I got a curtain rod for the kitchen and I needed to get curtains, so I picked this up. These are the sheer cafe curtain sets, and they have built-in rings, and I loved the look of these. Hopefully they look good in the kitchen. So as you can see, they come with their own like black rings, and I just thought the look of that was so nice. It's a white with a gray edge. It's 100% polyester, and they're washable. They're machine washable. They're a nice length, and they are it says it softly filters sunlight to make the room like bright. So I like that because in the kitchen, I love walking in the morning making my coffee and the sun is like really shining, and I thought that the pretty like design of the rings there would just add such a nice style to the kitchen. I'll show you guys what it looks like inside. So I'm really excited to see how this looks in the kitchen. Picked up some little washcloths. These were 20% off. Bedding and bathroom stuff were 20% off, so I picked up some washcloths. I picked up this random storage container. This is for the kitchen, but I got it for the bathroom because our windowsill is where we have like a container with all of like the shampoo, body wash, stuff like that. But the one we have now is too big and it keeps tipping over. So we needed something thinner. So just picked this up. If it works, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Oh, and then I picked up this. So I've been looking for a frame to put on the bar cart for a long time. And originally I wanted like a picture of a wine glass with like rosé in it or white wine, something really chic. But then I was like, you know what, I don't know, that's kind of basic. I don't know if that's gonna go with the vibe in here. So I was like, let me go more for like what's trendy right now. So I've been seeing these prints a lot of places. A lot of people have them, of these like, I don't know what they're called, like doodles or like pencil style drawings of like women's faces or hands, or like string style art where it kind of has this like sketch kind of vibe. And I thought this one was really cute. It's simple, it's super basic, it doesn't have any color, the frame is like faux wood. I just thought it was really cute to go on the bar cart, and this was only $10, and I also like the size of it because it's not too big. We have some next I got these really cute napkin rings. So I wasn't planning on getting this or this, but you can see it's the same material from the same collection. This is also from the Hearth and Hands. These were only $11.99, and they're napkin rings. I thought they were so cute. So you guys know I love having me a dinner party and I love using napkin rings. I don't necessarily need these, but I thought they were so cute. Again, since I'm going more for that organic vibe, I was like, I could use these. So even if I have just 1 or 2 people over, this is just such a cute little thing to add to your table. And they're so basic. You can use them for a really long time for different occasions. I picked up some pajama shorts. You guys know these are my favorite. These are the Stars Above. I always get these pajamas, and I love the shorts, especially when it starts to get warmer. I can't sleep in long pants when it's hot outside. Like, I actually can't sleep in long pants really ever unless it's like 10 degrees. But these are my favorite. I always get these. And then last but not least, since they took the rose everything else, I got the other stuff. So I got the rose scented dish soap as well as the rose scented room refreshing spray. So I'm really excited for this because the reason why I like the rose scented cleaner so much, which is this one, the multi-service cleaner, is because it really does leave your house smelling really good. Like after you clean, it really leaves that delicious, amazing, fresh rose scent. So I'm like, if I love the scent so much, just get the room spray. Hello. Although I clean like every 5 minutes, but I'm really excited to spray this around and see what it does. The cleaner. Ooh, yes, smells so good. If you guys can find this, get it. I wish I would have stocked up on the rose scented cleanser or cleaner when they had it, because boy, people were going crazy. Last but not least, I picked up this rug. So it's a little bit more expensive than I would have liked it to be. It was $70, which is kind of expensive for Target, because you can get a rug from like a furniture store that's cheaper. But I'm really picky when it comes to rugs, so I'm trying to replace all the rugs that we have in here. I already replaced the bathroom one, and then I got rid of the runner that we had in the hallway because it was cheap and it was ugly and it was gross. So I wanted to get a new runner. I also want to get a new living room rug, but I haven't found one that I really like yet. But when I saw this one, this is a runner, so this is gonna go in the hallway. So it's not like a big rug, it's a long rug and it's thin. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, I really like this. Like, I like the color, I like the pattern, I like the design. So if you guys can see, it's like this rectangular gray rug with like these white borders. Really nice, modern, chic, but still simple. And it's a nice shag. Like, you can see it's pretty deep. It's really soft and comfy. So we're gonna open it up, we're gonna put it out, we're gonna see if it fits, how it feels, if we really like it. If we don't love it, we're gonna return it, because $70 is a lot of money and I can find a cheaper one. So, but I really liked it. When I felt it, I was like, ooh, I feel like I could vibe with this. So we'll see how I feel when it's down on the floor. If I do get a chance to put it out, I will take a clip and put it in here for you guys so you can see. So that's everything for the haul, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Of course, don't forget to stay glam, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And please follow me on Instagram. Show me some love, because guys, I've been feeling so uninspired and so like unmotivated lately. I feel so bad. I feel like, I know I shouldn't say these things, but I just feel like lately my content is not like getting out there. Like, people aren't responding to it. I just feel kind of like blah, like I want to give up. So if you support me, if you like my stuff and you don't want to see me stop creating content, please support me. Follow me on Instagram, like my videos, like my photos, comment. It means a lot to people like me. And if you like the fact that I give you guys so much free content, please support it, because so many other people ask for money for everything they do, and I don't ask you guys for anything, and I'm not trying to guilt trip anybody. Of course, you don't owe me anything. I'm just saying, if you do love my content, you know, and you don't want to have to pay for it, then continue supporting the free content that I do put out there. I put a lot of heart and soul into my website, into my Instagram, into my YouTube. You know, I have a Facebook, I have Twitter, I have a TikTok. Please follow me on TikTok. Any way you can support me. If you like TikTok more, I am on TikTok. If you like Instagram more, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook. So any way you guys can support me, please do. If you want me to continue creating content, it would really mean a lot to me. So anyway, I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.